Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register Medicare Wellness Rewards Program, member guide step by step clearly. To register for the Medicare Wellness Rewards Program, begin by visiting the official Medicare website. Locate the login section on the home page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you do not have an account, click on the Create Account button to start the registration process. You will be asked to provide personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and Medicare number. Fill out all required fields accurately to ensure successful registration. Once you have completed the form, read and agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Submit button to send your registration information. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the instructions in the confirmation email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Medicare website and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Wellness Rewards section of your member dashboard. Here, you will find information about available rewards and how to earn them. To participate, select the activities you wish to engage in from the provided list. Complete the necessary activities as outlined, keeping track of your progress. Once you finish an activity, submit any required documentation to confirm your participation. Monitor your rewards status through your member dashboard. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact customer support through the website. By following these steps, you can easily register and start benefiting from the Medicare Wellness Rewards Program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.